It's Thursday, January 4th. And I just wanted to remind you that those of you who shopped those first 2 weeks in December and you got a red envelope that said do not open, it is time to redeem your envelope. So if you are shopping with us, you need to shop in January, 1 envelope per purchase, and you will get the discount that is on the envelope. Now, what else do I want to tell you about? I want to tell you that we just had our team meeting, and we're going to do something very fun starting in January, finishing in February. We're going to do a battle of the bind off. What does that sound like? That sounds like unfinished projects, right? So we're going to gather on Sunday the 14th, Sunday afternoon, here at the store. Bring in your unfinished projects. We're going to weigh them where they are now, how much they weigh, and then we are going to work on them from Sunday until the very last day in February, and we will weigh them again, and we will see how much you have increased the weight of your garment. In other words, or your blanket, or your this. And we're going to do it by the percentage of weight increase. So in other words, if you have a giant blanket, it weighs a lot. But if all you have to do is 4 more squares, when you re-weigh that, it's not going to be that many. It's going to be ounces. So let's say it's 4 ounces. So you're going to get 4 ounces for your team. And that's a percentage, right, of the whole project. So if you get, if you have a sleeve to do on a sweater, it might be 2 ounces. If you have a hat that you haven't finished, it might be 2 ounces. So it's not totally foolproof, but we figured out it's as fair as possible. And we're going to divide into 3 teams, I think, possibly 4. They're going to be the U team, the U, F, O, and maybe an S if we need 4 teams, right? UFOs. So you're either going to be a U, an F, an O, or possibly an S. And then we're going to go together and we're going to see who has finished the most. They don't have to be, see how this works, is you do not have to come to the end of your project. You do not have to bind off to make this game work, and everybody can participate. So if you don't finish a project, you can still participate. So anyway, should be fun. We're going to have a little party, a little Battle of the Bind Off party kickoff on Sunday, January 14th. So pay attention to your email. We're going to get it out there. We'll figure it out before it's all has to be done, right? So get together, go through your closet, go through your knitting room, find your stuff. We'll see ya. Thank you. Have a good night.